Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what the cards are going to tell for you today. The first card, Wheel of Life. That's a beautiful card. I see the infinity blessings here. So I feel maybe there's a lot of blessings coming to you today. But let's open the other card also and then do the predictions together. Okay, the Goddess of Earth. Okay, two beautiful cards. So let's start with the first card, which is the Wheel of Life. Now, usually, if you see, our normal Rider White has the card called as the Wheel of Fortune, where we say that things are going to change for good, or everything will happen good and everything will be in our favor. So, when you see this card, what do you feel? For me, only the infinity symbol is coming. Maybe it just says, come out of your circle, because if you see here, there's a circle formed, right? So, come out of your circle and just spend some time with the nature, spend some time with maybe water or something. If you like going to the beach, then spend some time at the beach. If you like spending some time in the park, then spend some time in the park, and just understand one thing, that you need to sometimes just take the time off for yourself and not always work or do things for others. Sometimes we need to even do some things for ourselves. But overall, if you see how the day is going to be, I feel the day is going to be good. The day is going to be amazing. Lot of opportunities may come, good news may come, positive things may happen. Now, coming to the Goddess of Earth, yet another beautiful um, card. But when I see this water pouring out, I feel you should offer some milk today to some cow or to some pet animal. This is what I am feeling guided. Just offer some milk and she will bless you, and she will give you loads and loads of blessings, and she will make you happy. But overall, when I see this card, it just says that she is there to bless us, take care of us, and always be there for us, and always bring in good things in life, sweetness in life, divinity in life. So maybe today, offer or donate some milk to the temple, or to, I would suggest a stray dog or to a cow, and not to, I don't know if cows drink milk, because I always give greens to the cows. So maybe offer some for some stray animal the milk today, and wear something red today. I feel red is the color for you today. And if possible, just burn some agarbatti today, and pray to the gods that things go well and everything is abundant the way it has come in the reading. Let's see what the Kali Mata card talks. That's another beautiful card, the Nitya Kali. Can you see this? I would suggest today, if you are a person who sees my cards in the night, my readings in the night, look at this image, close your eyes, and just ask the Nitya Kali to guide you, to bless you, and to make you, feel powerful. Try to connect with your heart chakra, this symbol. Okay, try to connect with your heart chakra with this symbol. Look at this symbol and take the symbol, take the image of the symbol through your third eye to your heart, and just say that I shall not be bothered of all the day-to-day concerns. I shall not be bothered about anything. I will take the way the day comes. And oh dear Kali, thank you for always blessing me. Thank you for always being with me. Thank you for always bringing me back to the balance whenever I feel left out. And just start your day with Jai Ma Kali. If you want to hear any Kali chantings, you can, but I feel this is enough. And overall, I feel today the day is going to be really, really good, and you are going to be very happy. Have a blessed day. Thank you.